Hi guys, now we will start with getting started with Blynk. I will tell you that what is Blynk app and how we can do very many great projects on Blynk. Blynk is something like it is also related to the IoT only. So like we have done ThinkSpeak, this is in the form of application. This is your app. ThinkSpeak was the website, Blynk is the app. So let's begin with the Blynk. Now guys, I'll tell you what is Blynk. Blynk is a platform. It is a Android or it is could be an Android or iOS app, depends upon your phone. It is an app which controls Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and many of the boards. Your NodeMCU is also can be connected through Blynk and it can be controlled. It is a digital dashboard where you can see making Blynk application is quite a easy task. I will tell you that how you can make a Blynk application. Everyone can download the Blynk app, so you can download it in your phone. Just go to Play Store or App Store, any of your phone you have, and download. Just search Blynk and download the Blynk app. This is the icon of Blynk. So you can see in my presentation that I have shown you. Now using Blynk, what are the advantages of using Blynk? What can be the aspects that Blynk will help you? Connection management. Connection management is something like you are connecting a device from your hardware. Sometimes the device gets interruption, sometimes a device is not connected, but Blynk has a best connection management. It can connect any of the Ethernet, Wi-Fi, GSM, 2G, 3G, LT, any type of network and any type of hardware. It is flexible, it is easy, fast and reliable. It has public and private servers. You can make the server local, you can make the server global. So Blynk has many of the advantages. So you can see that how Blynk can make your IoT projects very easier.